Hello everyone, and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can exit a game in the PlayStation 5. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now on the PlayStation 5 and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here, as you can see guys, you're gonna find your games and applications. If you go to the game library, here you're gonna find the list that includes all of the games that you have installed on your device. Here you're gonna find your collection and also PlayStation Plus games. If you go here to the left, you're gonna find PlayStation Plus and also PlayStation Store. And right here in the top, you're gonna find all of these sections. Here you're gonna find games, media. Right here, you're gonna find search, settings, and lastly, right here, you're gonna find your profile icon. So basically guys, right now, if you want to exit a game in your PlayStation 5, first of all, go ahead and we're gonna start a game, any game, for example this one, and we're gonna wait for it to load just to show you guys how you can close it. So basically guys, once you launch the game, if you go to the home section, for example, the game is not closed yet. So if you want to close it, the easiest way is to go to the game and then press option on your controller. And then once you do that right here, you're gonna find all of these options and the first one is close game. Just click on it and then you're gonna be able to easily exit and close your game. Right here, you're gonna find some other options like check for updates. Make sure you check for updates to see if you have some available updates. You're gonna find upload and download, save data, manage game content, and so on. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.